To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Samsung Galaxy tab. Gently lift the connector latches, securing the ribbon cables as shown. Remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your device, then connect the ribbon cables as shown. Replace the cover and snap into place. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy tab with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Samsung Galaxy tab should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.